The invalid request SSO error typically refers to an issue with single sign-on SSO authentication. SSO is a mechanism that allows users to authenticate once and gain access to multiple applications without the need to provide credentials repeatedly. Here are some troubleshooting steps you can follow to address the invalid request SSO error. Check the SSO configuration. Review the SSO configuration settings for the application or service where you encountered the error. Ensure that the configuration is correct, including the SSO provider details, authentication methods, and any required certificates or tokens. Verify SSO provider settings. Confirm that the settings on the SSO provider's side are accurate. Double-check the identity provider (IDP) configuration, user mappings, and any required attributes or claims. Make sure the SSO provider is functioning properly and accessible. Review error messages or logs. Look for any error messages or logs associated with the SSO process. The error message might provide additional details about the issue, such as incorrect credentials, expired tokens, or mismatched configurations. Analyze the logs to identify the root cause. Check system time and time zones. Ensure that the system time and time zone settings on both the SSO provider and the application or service are synchronized. A time difference or incorrect time zone configuration can cause authentication failures. Test with different browsers or devices. Try accessing the application or service using different browsers or devices. Sometimes, the error could be specific to a particular browser or device due to compatibility issues or cached data. Clearing browser cache or using an incognito, private browsing mode might also help. Temporary network issues. If the error occurs intermittently, it could be due to temporary network issues. Check your internet connection stability and try again after a while. Contact support. If you have followed the above steps and are still encountering the invalid request SSO error, reach out to the support team for the application or service. Provide them with details about the error, steps you have taken, and any error messages or logs you collected. They should be able to assist you further in diagnosing and resolving the issue. Remember that troubleshooting steps can vary depending on the specific SSO implementation and the application or service you are trying to access. The above steps provide a general guideline, but it's essential to refer to the documentation or support resources specific to your SSO setup for more accurate troubleshooting guidance.